I surely didn't time my last video perfectly because I left one problem. So I'm going to go ahead and do this problem and then summarize it on the back. So I got the volume of a cube, 40 cubic feet. The dimensions are doubled. What is the volume of the new cube? So I have volume, and this is my scale factor, and that is times 2. That's for the doubled. So my volume times my scale factor cubed, because it's cubic feet, and volume is cubed, is new volume. So the volume is 40 times 2 cubed equals 40 times, and then 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So that's 320 cubic feet. Or you can write it 320 feet cubed, either way. Okay, so what you should do when you're doing dimensional change is tell yourself that perimeter times, so sloppy. Do you know how much whiteout I go through during these videos? That's why you do math in pencil, but my pencil doesn't show up. Times scale factor equals new perimeter. And then my area times scale factor squared equals new area. And volume times scale factor cubed equals new volume. So remember that this is how you do dimensional change. And dimensional change has the words dilation and scale factor in them. And that a scale factor larger than 1 enlarges things, and a scale factor less than 1 shrinks things. So make sure you are practicing this. This does show up on your transformation test. Hint, hint.